Hello everybody, this is Fire Alarm Test 28, and today we're going to be testing the Wheelock 7002T horn strobe. Wait a minute, did I already tested a Wheelock 7002T horn strobe in the past? Well, you are right guys, I have tested one before, but this is actually, okay, I'll give you the full model number. Okay. Today we're going to be testing the Wheelock 7002T-24. This is the 24 volt model, by the way, guys. So this one is the 24 volt version. So let's compare my other 7002T with this other one that I have right here for a while. Even though you could tell, like, the difference is, like, this one was used and it was pulled out of a building somehow. And this one is brand new in box. So I bought this one brand new in box, and there's a similar differences behind them. The behinds do look the same, so I will bring them over to the back. As you could tell, the backs do look kind of different because of the different colors of the transformer. And you got your terminals at the bottom, and you got your polarization diodes and your red resistors right there. You got, I don't know if you could see right there, but those are polarization diodes right there. And this is basically all you see back here. And the transformers are different a little bit, pretty much. They have this thing gray for some reason, and this one's red. So, transformers are different. This one is red. Very typical. And this one's gray. And it has yellow tape around the coil. And this one has clear tape, so you can see the red copper wiring. So, let's take this out of the frame. So, this is the second 7002T I've owned for a while now. Actually, I got it last week. If I want to focus on the label, hang on. Trying to get the camera to focus because it doesn't want to focus with me today. There it goes. Okay. Today, this is the 24 volt model of the 7002T. All they did was just add a strobe on the top. You see? It's 24 volts DC. It's 0.63 amps. The strobe is 0.82 candela, which means the strobe on this unit is not very bright at all. And this one was made in the 34th week of 1992. And you can see the wires are wired in series and going up to the strobe. So why this thing skips, it's because it's taking power away from the horn and it's bringing power up to the strobe. So the strobe takes power away from the horn. It sucks up so much power, it takes power away. That's what causes it to skip. And the hammer is right in there that vibrates the disc, which makes this thing honk. And the strobe is only 0.82 candela, and again, the strobe is not very bright at all. So this is going to be the second 7002T horn strobe I'm going to be testing on this video. Alright, so let's get testing. Okay, now let's test the alarm. We're going to be testing the Wheelock 7002T once again. I know I have the light above hook turned off because the Hey Google can't hear me over this, so I have the other overhead light on, so hopefully you guys will be able to see this alarm very well. We're going to set this thing off and celebrate Memorial Day in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. that was really awesome, guys. Well, it is very loud too. And I'm very surprised that this brand new 7002T was brand new in box. Sounds actually pretty clean. And it sounds a lot healthier than my other 7002T, which I had for a while. It sounds a lot healthier than my other one. Anyways, you get the idea. And for the final part of the test, we're going to be using my BG12L. And also, Wheelock 7002Ts do go with BG12s pretty much, and I actually seen BG12s with 7002Ts in person once, and done a lot on videos too. So, I don't know why, I've seen it like that. And sometimes you will find Wheelock 7002Ts with Firelight BG10s, Gamewell Centuries, Pyrotronics pole stations, Edwards, or Simplex, or any other pole station that you may see inside a building fire alarm combo pretty much. And it's basically all it is. So, let's get on with the test. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I just reset the pole station because it is really loud. Well, let's give it one more pull just for fun. Ready? Push in, pull down. Stick your feet in here. Turn to the left. Well, that is pretty cool, guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching Fire Alarm Test 28. I know I have not made one in a long time, and I do apologize because I am so busy, and I'll still continue with the Fire Alarm Test series pretty soon. Continue with all these demos that I made over the past 3 years I've been doing fire alarm testing. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and that will be it. So, thank you so much for watching the video. And that's it.